Today we're gonna show you how to do this, something simple. It's a Xerox. I'm gonna get for you the number. The number is here, WorkCentre 5325. It's a black and white machine. I'm gonna just show you how to change toner. So you just come here. You can see on the clip here. Then slide this guy off. This is the toner. Then even the good thing about this machine is like you can even refill this toner and you don't waste a lot of money. So yeah, that's it. What else can I show you? This is tray 1 where you can put your papers, tray 2 where you can put your papers. That's it. So this is a crazy machine. If you want to switch it off, you switch it off here. The technician has been working on it. It's been printing crazy. You can see how it was printing, but now look what he did. So he made it to print 100% fine. Let me show you this. You can see. Yeah, so this is a beautiful machine, and you know, black and white machines, they are very easy to maintain, a little bit cheaper, and also they don't have complicated stuff like if you have to buy drums, you buy 4, but here you just buy 1 drum, whatever, things like that. Yeah, so I hope I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, that's the end of our video.